So, hello everyone. So, great day. Live good morning. And right now, nandito tayo sa ating Live Good Opportunity presentation. And I'm so excited na i-share tong napakagandang opportunity na talaga namang sobrang dami na pong nabago yung buhay. Yan, in its first year, no? So, isa na rin po tayo doon and gusto namin na i-share to sa mas marami pang tao nang sa ganun, mas marami pa ang ating matulungang mabago yung buhay. And hopefully, isa ka na rin doon, especially kung ikaw ngayon ay first timers na naghahanap ng opportunity, no, na pwedeng magbigay sa iyo ng break this 2024, right? So like you, nakikinig lang din kami dati and syempre inintindi namin ang negosyong ito. And truly, no, nung nag-start kami dito, tinake action na namin. And ako din, syempre, ginawa po talaga natin, sineryoso natin. So talaga namang nagbago po, okay, ang ating course, ng ating direction ng ating life. Yeah, because of this opportunity. And our mission right now is to, help more people. Ayan, so sana, okay, kung ikaw ngayon ay looking for an opportunity talaga na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo, whether pwede mong gawin part-time, okay, sa spare time mo lang, or full-time. Yan, so para sa iyo to. Alright, so welcome everyone and later on madidiscover nyo po yung tatlong bagay. Number one, the company na pinag-uusapan, pinagkakaguluhan, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi ng buong mundo at ng buong industriya, right, ng direct selling. And later on, madidiscover din po natin, and number two, yung products na grabe po. Of course, of high quality and grabe po yung pricing, or should I say very affordable. Alright? And number three, madidiscover din natin yung concept ng negosyong ito at kung paano mo rin ito mama-maximize, matitake advantage once na maging part ka sa program namin dito. Alright? So I'm so excited na i-share to sa inyo. So I suggest syempre na patapusin mo to para talagang fully maintindihan mo ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. And thank you din nga pala sa tune in dito, and hopefully na syempre mapatapos mo, kasi alam kong pag natapos mo ang presentation ko ngayon is that meron kang makukuhang value. Alright, so yan, magpapakilala muna ako sa inyo. Ayan, so sino ba yung cute na nagsasalita sa inyo ngayon? Alright, so anyway, so I'm Coach Marta Dagasdas. I'm 22 years of age and I'm a Live Good pillar. Okay, so actually lahat tayo dito pillar, at sa mga magsisimula pa lang, okay, dito ay pillar. Ibig sabihin, nasa pillar stage in its first 2 years, right? And I'm also a professional network marketer, so I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin. So sa pagpili ng company, naging masusi na rin po tayo kasi ayun na rin po natin yung mga masisira tayo, and gusto natin yung pang long term talaga. Alright, and nakita naman po natin itong talagang si Live Good na pag-aralan natin, and talagang wala masyadong masabi kundi the best of the best. Alright, so yan, isa rin po tayo sa part ng DMW and the Young Guest Speakers Bureau. Alright, so been blessed na naging part sa team na makapag-share ng hope and inspiration sa maraming tao. Alright, so full-time na rin po tayo dito sa opportunity ito, and I'm the founder of my team, Zell Empire, and currently a platinum rank very soon, right, in God's will, in God's perfect time, so hitting our next rank, which is diamond. But to tell you, this presentation is not all about me, it's all about you, your goal, your dream, kung paano ba natin yan makukuha this year to the help of this opportunity. Yan, kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright, so ngayon, welcome sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Live Good. Alright, so ito po yung company right now na sinasabi ko po sa inyo na pinagkakaguluhan. Okay, and sabihin ko na po sa inyo, talagang itong company ito is gumawa ng record, no? Talagang break niya yung mga record, right, sa MLM space or direct selling space. Okay, which is later on pag-uusapan din natin. Okay, so ito po yung tinutukoy sa inyong company, which is itong si Live Good. Alright, so sino ba itong si Live Good? So before tayo mag-proceed sa ating mga pag-uusapan, and dito muna tayo to set the right expectations then. Ayan, so disclaimer po muna, no? The information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. And I myself, hindi rin po ako financial advisor. And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So wala tayong ini-invest or tinitrade dito na mga crypto. Alright? So, gateway lang po yan or mode of pay-in or pay-out. Alright? So, take note that Live Gold is not an investment company. Okay? So, highlight ko lang this is not an investment company. So, if you're looking for investment company, well, you're in the wrong presentation. Mali po yung ina-attendan nyo. Okay? Kasi business opportunity po ito. Okay? It is illegal for a promoter participant in a program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. So, wala tayong pinapromise dito na within this short period of time, kikita ka ng ganito and all those stuff. So, wala po. Okay? Ang papakita ko sa inyo ngayon is potential. Alright? So, that means na magdedepende po yung result natin sa effort natin. Okay? But don't worry kasi may guide po tayo dito. Alright? And do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So later on, may ipa-flash din po akong mga proof of earnings. No? May mga kumikita. Pero that does not mean na pag sinimulan mo din to within this short period of time, okay, na kagaya ng ginawa din nila, alright, na talagang tinodo yung trabaho is magiging ganun din yung result mo. Okay? So again, ang result natin is magdedepende sa time, effort na ilalaan natin dito. Okay? Ayan. But don't worry kasi yun yung papupuntahan natin. Ayan. You must do your own independent research then prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. Okay? So, in short, mag-research ka. Kung nagdududa ka, natatakot ka, or whatsoever, no, na baka ma-scam, baka pyramiding, budol, ayan, or mga fly-by-night company ito, right? So, mag-research ka. Okay? But, since nandito ka na, naka-tune in ka na right now, patapusin mo na lang to nang sa ganun is maintindihan mo talaga kung sino at ano ba talaga si Live Good. Alright? So, let's proceed. Okay? So, dito, meron muna akong papapanood sa inyo na short video wherein nagsasalita po dito ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Okay, so ito ay parang bird's eye view, no, kung ano ba talaga at sino si Live Good. Okay, so very powerful po ito, no, kasi ito talaga yung nagpa-open sa karamihan ng mga tao, no, na naging part dito. Okay, ayan, so panoorin po natin itong short video ng ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. No, so right now, at least meron na kayong konting idea kung sino at kung ano ba si Live Good. So ngayon, syempre sa ating presentation, mas ipapaliwanag ko po yung sinabi ng ating CEO. All right, so let's proceed. Okay. So, welcome everyone. All right. So, sino ba si Live Good? All right. So, Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. All right. Ayan. So, kaka 1 year lang po natin nung last December, no? Ayan. And si Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So, ang focus po ni Live Good ay itong dalawang bagay, the wellness. So, ano naman natin, 'di ba? As long as may tao, so kailangan ng maging healthy, no? And of course, the digital service industry. So, halos lahat, no? ay going online na talaga, right? To digitalization. So, hindi natin mapipigilan talaga yan. Alright? So, yan. Live Good is a fulfillment center po natin ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Okay? Yan. So, Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay? So, marami kasing mga club membership companies out there na hindi ka naman binabayaran. Wagkos, ikaw lang yung bayad ng bayad. Okay? Ayan, you can earn money as a club member of Live Good. Yes, you heard it right. Okay? Ayan, whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes, that's right also. Okay, so before ka mag-react, no, kung totoo to, baka too good to be true, yan, patapusin mo to and of course, papaliwanag natin ngayon. Okay, so unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. Well, marami mga companies out there na competing price na mas mahal sa kanila, mas quality daw, alright? Pero dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Yan, amazing, di ba? So, tutulungan ka makatipid, in short. Ayan, para maging healthy. O, di ba? Yan, so if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Okay? So, ngayon pa lang po, bigyan kita ng awareness that Live Good is not like any other MLM or traditional na mga Jurassic, gigantic na mga direct sales or MLM companies. Right? So, ano bang meron sa mga traditional na mga companies na yan? Right? So, number one, may product package. Okay, yung product package na yan kahit hindi mo pa need or di mo pa kailangan, wala kang choice kasi nasa package eh. Right? So, kasama siya dun sa pagkuha or pa-member, no? Ayan. And mostly sa mga product package na yan, overpriced. Aminin man natin sa hindi, overpriced talaga yung mga products. Alright? Which is, syempre yung iba, alright, hirap sila i-maintain kasi overpriced yung products eh. Di ba? Ayan, maghanap sila ng mas affordable. Okay? Oh, and of course, quality din. Okay? And number 3, left and right pairing system. Ayan. So, ang downside lang kasi dito, marami naman actually pinayaman. Okay? Di naman tayo against yan. It's just that na may talaga, pag isa lang yung gumagalaw sa'yo, kabila lang. So, wala kang choice. Ayan. Wala kang choice. Ayan. And wala kang kita din. Okay? Pag ganun. Alright? And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. So, you have to buy products every single month. Kahit bago ka pa lang, ayan, para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo and makuha mo yung commission mo. Okay? And number 5, may 5th pair. Okay, ibig sabihin, kada pair, yan sa mga binary, okay? So, every ikalimang pair, ang mangyayari is magiging points po siya. Okay? Pwedeng, travel or mga products, ganun. So, kumbaga, kita na, ginawa pang points. And in our experience, may experience, hindi lang 5th pair, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Okay, number 6, limit of encoding. Ito yung isa sa mga napipigil sa momentum. May limit of encoding kasi meron kasing maximum per cycle sa pag-encode. Alright? So, may iba, 5 per cycle, 7, 10, ayan. So, depende, no? Ayan. Kasi pag sumobra, ayan na, number 7, flash out. Okay? So, ito yung masaklap, no? Yung binild mo ng ilang months or even years, pwedeng mawala. Yes. Okay? And ang sinasabi ko po doon is yung commission mo. Okay? So, na-experience po namin yan, di ba? So, pipigilan mo yung kabila mong sakto lang yung galaw, yung malakas, tuloy-tuloy sila sa encoding. Yan. Tapos, pag sumobra yung sakto yung galaw, right, or tinatawag naming strong side, isa stronger side. So, pag sumobra yung strong side mo, bang. Diba? Kahit ilan pa yan, 50, 100, even million, pwedeng maging zero yan. Diba? Diba? Alam niyo yun, yung tipong imomotivate mo na lang yung grupo mo na okay lang yan, diba? Yan, pati ikaw low moral na rin, pero minomotivate mo na lang din yung sarili mo. Diba? Wala kang magawa eh, kasi ganun talaga pag traditional. Alright? So, ayan, flash out, back to zero. Okay, which is masaklap and marami talagang nasasaktan. Diba? Okay, so yan. And number 8, unexplained deduction. Diba? Mga miscellaneous fees, ayan, mga processing fees, and iba-iba pa na mga fees. I don't know kung totoo ba talaga yan. And number 9 is high attrition. Since, of course, dahil nga sa mga reason na yon na sinabi ko sa inyo, marami yung mga nag-quit kaysa sa mga nagtutuloy. Alright, nagtutuloy talaga yung may mga, na-train talaga. Ayan, pero yung mga mga bago, so wala talaga. Okay, so yung ganong po paraang po ay traditional and obsolete na po yan. Okay, so sinauna. Alright, and good news, bakit? Nandito na po si Live Good. Ayan, Enjoy Club member deals. Ayan. Okay, so ano bang meron sa Live Good? Ayan, so wala na tayong, sinabi ko yung kanina. Ayan, wala tayo ditong product package, di ka bebentahan. Ayan, pag naging part ka dito sa program, and wala tayong overpriced products, finally. Di ba? And wala tayong left and right pairing. Di mo na kailangang, di ba, bumangga-bangga pa. Ayan, para ka kumita, di ba? Balancing, di ba? Dalawang leg. Okay, wala na yan. And monthly maintenance, wala na rin. Okay, sa Unilevel. Di ba? Mostly yan, ang mamahal. Iba-iba, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 every month. Tapos iba per account, no? Ayan, so wala na rin yan dito. Right? And number 5, wala na rin tayong fifth pair. Ayan, good news. And number 6, yan, nakaka-excite din ang part kasi unlimited yung encoding dito. Ayan, wala ka tayong limitasyon dito. Di ba? Kaya lipad talaga yung lilipad. Okay? Yung mga momentum talaga. Okay? And number 7, good news, wala nang flash out. Alright? Di ka na mababahala kung marami encode. Baka mawala yung commission mo. Di ba? So, less stress. In short, no? Ayan, wala na yan. And number 8, wala na rin tayong unexplained deductions. So, very transparent. Nandyan po, ayan, sa back office natin, lahat. Explanation. Yan. And, nandun po, no? And number 9, kabaliktaran nito. Alright? High stickability. Yan. Maraming tao nag-stay sa Live Good. Basta naintindihan nila. Kasi nga, kakaiba po siya. Okay? Hindi na siya yung traditional. Alright? And tinanggal na po yung mga pahirap. Ayan, yung minention ko ngayon. And marami pa po yan actually. Yan. But those are the top 9. Okay? Ayan. As ito naman po yung other reasons why Live Good. Okay? Bakit ka ba mag-live good? Alright? Bakit mo gagawin to? Okay? Well, for number 1 reason, we have these amazing products. Okay? So, amazing kasi nga, from the selection of ingredients and of course from the after the finished product is that meron tayong mga tests, right, na ginawa ng ating company na ma-ensure mo talaga ng quality na pag tinake mo, magkakaroon ka ng magandang effect sa health mo. Alright? And number 2, incredible yung prices. Ito yung best part kasi marami namang mga incredible products out there, quality, right? And ang tanong, yung presyo. Yun lang, nga. 'Di ba? Bubutas pa yung bulsa mo. Okay, pero dito sa Live Good, I'll tell you, okay? Incredible or should I say affordable. Yun, 'di ba? Number 3, no auto shipping. That means na hindi ka pipilitin to bumili ng products every month. Okay? And number 4, no monthly products to buy. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. That means within 90 days, okay, pag hindi mo nagustuhan or pag nagka-problem dun sa products or hindi mo nagustuhan yung effect sa'yo, okay, so within 90 days, right, sa uli mo lang yung laman ng products, no questions asked, ibabalik sa'yo yung pera mo. Diba? Matindi, no? So, syempre, for security yan ng ng mga consumer, no? And it only tells na quality yung products natin kasi hindi naman maglalagay yan kundi quality yung products natin, eh. Tama? Diba? Kasi baka masauli lang lahat. Diba, products. O, diba? Okay, and number 6, number 1 business to join. Literal, number 1 business to join. I'll tell you why. Pwede ka mag-research, no? Okay? So, dito tayo sa Business for Home. Ayan. Sa Business for Home, parang Forbes magazine ng direct selling. Ayan. Sa Business for Home, nagkaroon po ng voting or poll. Yan, top direct selling comp plan. Okay, actually last year pa to, 2023, mga March, April, I think, no? So nagkaroon po ng voting, alright? And buong mundo po yan, ha? And there are about 750 plus companies nominated. And matindi. Si Live Good, I think 4 months pa lang that time, pero nag-top 5. Grabe, no? So there must be something in the comp plan. Bakit pinagbotohan siya and bakit nag-top 5 agad? Diba? And di lang yan, ha? Nagkaroon ulit ng voting. Ayan, the most trusted direct sales company. Alright? Last year. Kung kanina top 5, ngayon top 2 na. Ayan. So, marami nagtitiwala. Sabi pa nga, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023. Okay? So, syempre, kung ikaw, kung mabe-venture ka lang din naman ng negosyo, no? Ayan, o makikipag-partner ka isang business. Okay? So, doon ka na sa mapagkakatiwalaan. Tama? Okay? And, nagkaroon ulit ng voting, no? Ayan, ang pinagbotohan naman is, ayan, top direct selling companies of 2024. Alright, and I'll tell you, ayan, si Live Good po, top 1 na. Okay? And, grabe po, 800 plus top direct selling opportunities, global po yan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, may kakaiba po talaga dito. And pag-uusapan din po natin yan ngayon. Alright? So, get ready. Okay, buckle up. Ayan, kasi, okay, i-discuss ko po sa inyo kung ano bang meron talaga dito sa Live Good. Okay? So, ano bang mission natin? Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Yan, matulungan kang magpaka-healthy na hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo at hindi masasaktan yung wallet mo. Ayos ba? So, ito naman po ang ating Live Good team, right? And ang ating Live Good team po ay, very amazing and masabi kong genius kasi first time in the history of direct selling na may ganitong ginawang concept. Alright? Okay, pero share ko lang sa inyo yung background ng ating company owner. So, very important guys, no, na kung magve-venture ka, makipag-partner ka sa isang company is that alam mo yung credibility ng mga owners, the people behind the company, right? Kasi yun yung kumbaga nagmamaneho, di ba? So, if you want na pang long term, so you have to background check, right? The credibility of the owners. And I'll tell you, okay, para maging confident ka makipag-partner dito, ang ating CEO po, he has over 20 years, guys, 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Yes, right. Kasi maraming mga company owner naman out there, yan sa atin, sa Pinas, no? Pero yung purpose lang talaga nila is, magpa-invest lang eh. Di ba? So, sad truth, no? Mga fly-by-night, yung tipong, magtatayo, tapos mawawala lang din. Alright? And nakita ko talaga ito talaga for long term. Alright? So, ito nga, sabi pa kanya sa video niya ng ating CEO, no? Sa previous companies niya, kasi may mga companies na siyang hinawakan, close to $1 billion na ang na-payout niyang commission. So that means na sobrang daming talaga niyang natulungang mga tao na mabago yung buhay. Alright? And gagawin niya po yan ulit dito. At mas marami pa. Okay? Yung goal niya matulungan. Alright? Ben knows how to help people win. And the best part ito kasi IT guy. Alright? Hindi tayo yung, baka para, siyempre, iwas tayo sa sabotahe, right? Like, in our experience sa previous company, na sabotahe yung sistema. Naku! Di ba? So, the best part to kasi IT guy ito and very hands-on. Alright? So, maririnig nyo po siya every week. Ayan, sa ating YouTube, no? And nagbibigay ng updates about new products, about, mga rank up, and of course, training din. Ayan. So, very hands-on talaga. Alright? And alam niya ginagawa niya. Okay? Hindi siya yung yung tipong taong baguhan, no? So, veterano in short. Okay? So, syempre, dito naman po ang ating mga product formulators, si Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Ayan. Okay? So, sila po yung nag-formulate natin mga products and nag-educate sa atin. Hindi rin basta-basta yung kanilang background, no? Ayan, si Doc Ryan may doctorate in pharmacy, degree in science of nutrition, background of being both natural health practitioner as well as pharmacist. Okay, so hindi basta-basta talaga. Okay? Ayan, and kasama sa pag-educate sa atin si Lisa Goodkin, right? Ang kanyang asawa and life coach, right? Ayan, health coach din. Okay? And exercise physiology. Okay? Ayan, and kasama din nila is ang ating Director of Network Marketing, si Noder. Ayan. So, 30 years na po ang kanyang experience and actually siya po yung nagpabalik. Ayan. Kasi mag-retire na po sana itong ating CEO eh. Pero dahil nakita niya yung potential and galing ni Ben talaga, no? Na tumulong talaga sa tao and genuine na pagtulong. Alright, so pinush niya talaga. And right now, ayan, na-create pa ng ating Live Good team. Kung bakit ganun yung growth, ganun yung naging record ng company, it is because of these awesome people. Alright, so wala akong masabi. Ayan. Alright, so we have over, actually mga 18 na, and madadagdagan pa po, okay, na mga life-changing products, and upcoming na po ang ating, ayan, multivitamins for kids, and actually napakita na po yung ating, ang ating, ano ba yun, yung oil, alright? Ayan, okay, so marami pa pong paparating, and abangan po natin this year, no? Ayan, so highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Yan. So, hindi po basta-basta yung mga products natin. Hindi yung kinuha lang sa mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi, no? Ayan. So, pang world-class talaga. And syempre, made in the USA. So, ano naman natin, no? Pag US company. Yan. And US-made products, no? So, no questions asked na yan. Lalo na pag-approved by the GMP. Okay. And not just that, okay, kagaya ng sinabi ko, lab tested for purity and potency yung mga products natin. Okay? And ito po ang ating mga new products right now, and CBD pain relief cream, collagen peptides, energy and focus patches, and sleep patches. So may kanya-kanya po yan silang mga benefits, like itong CBD pain relief cream. So pag sumasakit yung mga kasukasuhan mo, ayan, itong collagen peptides naman para good for hair, nails, skin. Ayan, and meron tayong mga patented na mga ingredients din. So, hindi ko na further di-discuss to kasi meron tayong separate na product demo about dyan, pero bigyan ko kayo ng idea, no? Ayan, itong energy and focus patches, no? So, nilalagay sa skin natin, okay? Like ito, ayan, this one, okay? So, para may energy and nakafocus ka. Ayan, alright? And, pag hirap ka naman matulog, ayan, so ito naman para sa'yo, sleep patches, okay? Ayan, so hindi ko na kailangan paliwanag yan, andyan naman sa title eh. Alright, so ito naman ang ating certificates of analysis. So kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, ang mga products natin ay lab tested. Okay? Each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory alternative labs 4740S. Alright? So that means na tested talaga. Okay? Actually, ito lang yung company na nakita ko so far na open in public yung certificates of analysis. May iba, meron, pero tinatago nila. Baka siguro ayaw nila malaman na, may hindi hindi maganda sa mga products. Kasi nandyan yung record if yung mga chemist, nasa medical field, yung mga pharmacist, I think alam nila basahin yan eh. Okay? And to tell you, hindi to hindi to gawa-gawa ni Live Good, third party to. Ibig sabihin ibang entity yung nagte-test ng ating mga finished products. Alright? So open po ito in public. You can search, you can access this one sa ating website, www.livegood.com. Alright? So, yun. So, hindi ka mahihiya talaga. Kahit mag-share kang kahit sino pa man yan. Okay? Kasi meron tayong test, and at the same time, quality yung mga products natin, hindi ka mahiyang i-share. Okay? Ayan. So, ang products natin are also, yun, sinabi ko sa inyo, GMP certified. So, sa GMP po, maraming tinitingnan na, hindi lang isa. Andyan yung location, machinery, processing, sanitary, maintenance, and personnel. So, that means na maraming area. So, stricto. Ayan, in short. Okay? Hindi basta-basta. Okay? And the best part niyan kasi certified tayo sa GMP. Alright? And marami tayong mga certifications like caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab tested. Yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na certificates of analysis, yun. 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and USDA organic. So, lahat po, ibig sabihin lang po niyan is of organic and walang insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, or mga yeast, molds, or even mga heavy metals, no? Like, basta mga heavy metals na pwede makasira sa natin, sa katawan natin. Yan. Yung kagaya ng lead, ayan, ng yung mga mga metals talaga na hindi maganda sa katawan natin. All right? So, quality ang products natin dito in short, and of masusure mo talaga na syempre magkakaroon ka ng magandang effect sa health mo once na nag-take ka nito. Yan, all right? So, we have wellness for all. So, may iba-iba naman tayo ng pangangailangan, syempre. Diba? So we have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. That means kung anong kailangan mo, pwede mo yan bilhin dito. Alright? So anong need ng katawan mo? Okay? And ito nga, nakaka-excite kasi in 2 years time, right, we'll be having over 200 plus products. Okay? And soon, mga services, kasi nga, club membership ito. Okay, so dyan yung solar panel, mga cleaning products, even mga airline, mga ticketing, ayan yung sa booking sa hotel and many more. So pwedeng associate dito kasi nga, okay, this is a club membership. It's not a traditional direct selling company. Alright, so how do I order products? So dalawang nag-order dito, consumer and member. Pag consumer ka, nagbabayad ka ng mabibili mo yung products natin ng mababang price. Pag nag-member ka, much lower yung price mo na makukuha. Alright? And itong sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi si Live Good available in over 200 plus countries. Yes, literal. That means in 200 plus countries, logistics ready tayo. Alright? And that means na pag nag-order ng products, matatanggap natin yung products. Okay? Kasi maraming mga companies out there na global ready daw sila, pero pag mag-ship sila sa ibang bansa, in Singapore or some part sa Middle East or even sa Europe, 'di ba? Hindi natatanggap yung products. 'Di ba? Yung iba hindi pa nababalik sa company. 'Di ba? Kasi nga kulang sa legalities. Pero dito, before pa launch ng company, ang ating ito si Live Good, available na siya in 200 plus countries. Literal, hindi yung puro Pilipino lang, global pero puro Pilipino lang. Ito talaga literal, over 200 plus countries. Alright, available tayo na pwede natin matanggap yung products. Once nag-order tayo, mapapay out natin yung commission and of course, magagawa natin yung business. Diba? So ito yung sobrang na-appreciate ko. Diba? Kasi syempre kung ikaw yung papapiliin, anong gusto mo? Local ka lang? Okay? Ayan, or globally ready. Ayan. So mas maganda, globally ready. Okay, kasi mas malaki yung potential. Ayan, mas maraming matutulungan natin and of course, mas malaki yung pwedeng kitain. Alright. So ngayon, pag nag-member ka, you save up to 75% compared to products in other companies. Hindi tayo 75% off 75% yung pwede mong matipid. Okay? So ganito yan, bigyan ko kayo ng scenario, Ayan. So, alam naman natin yung story ni David and Goliath. So, si David, pinatumban niya si Goliath with just one stone. Diba? So, si Goliath, ayan, si David, tayo po nag-represent yan. Yan, si Live Good. At si Goliath, siya po yung mga price gouging MLM. So, yun po yung mga Jurassic, mga traditional, ayan, ng mga MLM. Alright? Wherein, nagpapatong sila ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products, 8, 10, 12 times. Iba nga, 20 times pa nga Right? And this not to bring them down or to badmouth them or para silaan sila or whatsoever. So this just to, tell you the truth about sa industry. Mostly sa mga companies talaga, even yung mga dati-dati pa talaga. Alright? Yung commission nila, kinuha dun sa products. Yan, okay? Actually, kailangan nilang gawin yun. Kailangan talagang gawin. Kasi ganun na sana yung mga companies. Right? And ganun talaga since from the start. Kailangan gawin yun kasi doon kukunin yung syempre kita ng mga distributor, top earner, ayan yung mga profit share nila, ayan yung mga may kalaking company, right? Yung mga incentives, right? And syempre yung kita ng company owner, bayad sa mga empleyado, ayan bayad sa mga country manager, pag may artista, naku, marketing, diyan kinukuha. Wherein pag ganun yung konsepto, nakita ng ating CEO, syempre, siya yung may alam sa statistics 95% konti lang or wala talagang kumikita. Marami may nawawala ng kita. Yun yung time talaga na mag-retire na sana siya. Kasi goods na siya Pero yan, itong ating, Director of Network Marketing, si Noder, siya po yung nag-push. Kaya nagawa tong si Live Good. Alright? Yan. No, sabi pa nga niya, the days of selling overpriced products so few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yung maliligayang araw nila. Okay, so hindi nga effective Okay, effective for some na, mga top earner, pero yung mga talagang bago, so wala talaga. Okay, kaya wala tayong choice. Okay, maunti-unti talaga silang ma-obsolete. Okay, ayan, mapapatumba. Okay, kasi hindi mo mapipigilan yung yung pag-innovate, 'di ba? yung evolve. Alright? So, ngayon, gaano ba ka affordable yung mga products natin? Sample natin, price comparison tayo. Sa ibang company, itong CBD oil, 500 mg, magkano nila binebenta? Ayan, so maraming benefits yan actually. Ayan, for anxiety, depression, ayan, and kung nahirapan tulog, and marami pa po, no? Ayan, sa iba binebenta yan ng $80 to $90. Alright? Di ba? Mahal, no? Okay? Pero sa atin, 750 mg, 50% much stronger. Magkano lang? Actually, hindi 18 14. Bumaba na po, 14.95. Kasi nga club membership po ito eh. Alright? Grabe, no? Ayan. Di ba? No, so kung papapiliin ka, dun ka nasa quality na, affordable pa. Di ba? Kasi mas marami kang makukuha and makakatipid ka talaga. Di ba? Ito namang super greens. Sa iba may medyo similar yung ingredients. So sa iba binebenta $70 to $100. Sa atin magkano? Nakakanister pa $18 lang. Okay? Ito namang collagen natin. Yan, $70 to $80. Right? Yung binebenta sa iba. Right? Pero sa atin, magkano? $27.95. Tindi, no? Ano pa? Itong sleep patches. Sa iba, $40 to $70. Sa atin, $14.95 lang. Ganon kalupit. Diba? Kaya no wonder, marami talaga na-attract talaga, okay, na mga tao, mga leaders, and even mga, mga normal people lang, no? Dito sa Live Good. Yan. Kahit sa buong mundo, no? Yan, sa US and dito din sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga, value. Alright? Affordability and value in offer ng company. Of course, opportunity. Okay? So, ito naman, comparison natin sa members price, retail price. Itong multivitamins, no? Yan, 60 capsules. Members price, 10.95 and retail price, 78.95. Right? So, pag nag-member ka, around 500 plus pesos lang. Diba? Sa iba, binibenta 1,150, 60 capsule. Naku, sa atin, diba? Ganun lang. 500 plus. Diba? Ganun ka-affordable. Alright? Itong organic coffee, yan, sa iba binibenta 70.95, 28.95 naman pag retail. Ayan, members price 70.95. So, healthy organic weight management coffee. Alright, ito namang ating protein, complete plant-based protein. Pag nag-member ka, $22 and retail price $34. Yan, so around mga 1,2 lang pag nag-member ka. Sa iba binibenta around 2,500, 3,000. Diba? So, talagang, literal talaga affordable. Okay? So, to tell you, may evolution po ng lahat ng lahat ng bagay. Okay? Di ba? So, di ba dati yung pag-access natin ng newspaper, no? I mean, ng information, no? Is, yan, newspaper, yan, radio, eventually naging TV. And right now, ang dami ng gadget, laptop, smartphone, iPad, no? Yan, mga tablet. Right? And pagbibili din natin, nung una, barter muna and eventually naging market, supermarket, and right now nasa online na po. Yan, e-commerce, Amazon, eBay, yan, Alibaba, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, 'di ba? Yung naman system ng direct selling. Yan, sa MLM old multi-level system, yung mga breakaway system. Eventually naging binary, left and right, plus maramihan ng account. Ayan, tapos next naman, naging hybrid binary with multi-level system. Okay, so, left and right, tapos kinumbine na lahat-lahat, diba? Stair-step. So, maraming kumbaga, in-adapt. Okay, pero same story pa rin. Kumbaga, price gouging. Yung commission, dun pa rin kinuha sa products. So, ito na po yung bago, affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Okay, ito na yung complete evolution talaga. Yan. Sabi pa ni Asher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. So, pag hindi sila mag-adapt, pag price gouge pa rin yung ibang company, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? Kung hindi sila mag-adapt, hindi sila mag-evolve. Right? Kasi naman yan kumbaga, nakita na natin yan nung una pa. Yung mga nakapag-adapt, diba? Look at Nokia. Diba? Very known yun. Diba? Ang daming, diba? Halos lahat mayroong Nokia. Diba? Pero nung time na dumating na si iPhone, si Samsung, wala. Diba? Hindi sila nakapag-adapt. Diba? Andyan pa naman pero hindi na masyadong kilala. Bumaba din yung sales, syempre. 'Di ba? O look at Kodak. Ayan. O yung Kodak, 'di ba? Yung story niyan actually is merong isang empleyado nag-offer for digitalization sa camera. Digital camera. Okay? Yan. So ayaw nila, no? Okay pa naman yung mga hindi pa kailangang magbago, sabi ng may-ari. Yan. So inoffer yung idea na yon sa kabila, which is yung Sony. Yan. So yung Sony nakapag-adapt, so yun na. Yun na yung downfall, start ng downfall ng Kodak. Alright? Oh, so tinake over ng mga digital cameras. So yung ano naman yung Blockbuster. Yan, 'di ba? Nirenta ng mga ng mga CD, DVD. Ayan. Okay, so hindi rin sila nakapag-adapt. It so happen, dumating si Netflix. Ayun na. Okay? So, kumbaga, proven na po talaga yung mga hindi nakapag-adapt, and even nung pandemic, 'di ba, yung mga companies na hindi nakapag-adapt online, ano nangyari? 'Di ba? They have dissolved. Okay, nawala talaga, completely closed. Alright? And good news, bakit? Nag-adapt po tayo. Si Live Good po, pinakauna-unahang concept na may ganito. Alright? Yun nga, affiliate marketing with subscription. Okay, subscription that pays. Alright? So, lang natin, simple lang natin. Ano ba itong subscription? Ito yung revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly kapalit ng products or services. Ayun. Customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Yan. So, kung may SIM card kayo, yan, isa yan. Right? Ang tawag sa atin, subscriber. Di ba? Kasi nagpapaload tayo. May di ba, mga combo. Even yung internet natin, yan, yung cable, tubig, kuryente. In short, yung subscription, nagbabayad tayo sa mga companies, kung saan man tayo nagbabayad, and enjoy natin yung benefits na ino-offer nila. Yun. So, bakit ito importante? Yun nga, na-enjoy natin yung benefits ng subscription, and it increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Kasi nga, siyempre, sino ba naman dito yung gusto mo ng kuryente, tubig, internet, di ba? So, halos lahat, kumbaga necessity na di ba? No. Ayan. So, ganun siya, okay? Marami tao nag-stay. So, anong advantage ito? It lowered the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your product. Kasi nga, hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan yung services or yung product. So, saan bumabawi? Doon sa subscription na binabayaran ng mga members. Alright? Yan. So, ano yung mga popular membership? Amazon Prime. Okay? So, maraming benefits yan, no? Yan, yung free shipping, ayan, and yung mga Black Friday sale, ayan, mga ganun. Okay, or even mga maraming mga perks and benefits pag nag-member ka, right? Ayan, so there are about 100 plus million. Grabe, no? Yung Netflix, di ba? So, ayan, pamilyar na sa atin yan, no? Kung gusto mo manood ng maraming movies. Ayan, 200 plus million members. Grabe, no? Okay? So, may monthly yan na binabayaran, Sam's Club and Costco. Ayan na kumbaga yan para mag-member ka, okay? Syempre babayad ka yearly or monthly, and ma-enjoy mo yung mga discounted na mga products doon sa loob ng shop nila, right? Ayan, Disney Plus, pag gusto mo manood ng mga Disney movies, no? Ayan, 40 plus million, 100 million members mga companies na yan. Okay? Ano pa? Streaming services, HBO Go, and Apple TV, Viu, and many more. Itong gym, no? Nagbabayad din monthly para ma-access mo yung mga facilities sa loob ng gym. Yan itong, familiar ba tayo sa mga security plan and life plans? Di ba? So, nagbabayad din yan monthly para pag may matsugi or may mga mangyaring hindi maganda, right? So, meron kang makuha benefits. Yun po. Ganun po yung concept, okay? Ayan. Pero tell you, yung mga companies na yun, walang kita dun. Wala silang binabayad, wala silang binabalik sa'yo na kita. Alright? And we are happy to say, right, na si Live Good po ay nagbibigay ng dividend, yan, or commission. You know? Okay? So, paano ba yan? Okay? So, explain natin yan, don't worry. Alright? So, gaano ba kalaki yung industry ng subscription? So, grabe, no? Imagine mo, 500 plus yung binabayaran ng mga tao sa Netflix, pero tingnan mo naman yung kinikita ng company, 31.6 billion. Wala namang binabalik yan sa mga members. Diba? Pero 200 plus million members, meron na sila. Grabe, no? Okay, yan po kinikita. Ang yaman po talaga. O kayo na mag-compute in peso. No, malulula lang kayo. Itong Zoom, no? O, itong Zoom, kung hindi tayo nakasubscribe, malamang sa malamang kanina pa tayo natapos. Diba? So, tingnan nyo naman po, since 2018 to 2022, diba? Tingnan nyo yung revenue. Palaki ng palaki. Diba? Pero again, wala tayong kinikita dyan. Itong Amazon Prime, 200 plus million Prime members na. And sa subscription fees pa lang, 25.21 billion na. Yung binabayaran lang ng tao ha, monthly or yearly, yan po yung kinikita ng company. Laki no? Laki talaga, alright? So, ito naman yung Costco. No? O, tingnan yung trend, palaki ng palaki. Di ba? O, billions, 200 billion revenue ang kanina na-generate. Grabe, no? O, di ba? Pero again, wala kang kita dyan. Wala po tayong kita dyan. Right? And ito po yung nakita ang concept ng ating CEO. Right? Na yung mga traditional or yung mga matatagal na sa industry, no? Like, yan, na-mention naman, no? Usana, New Skin, Herbalife. Ayan. So, tagal na nila, no? So, pero, kung makikita mo, kahit mag-research ka yung sa Business for Home, yung sales nila, bumababa. Well, itong mga company ito, bakit ganun? No? Yun pala, yun pa yung nakita niya kasi value and affordability yung ino-offer. Alright? So, naisipan niya, why not i-incorporate natin to sa direct selling? Diba? Na ma-access yung mga products, high quality but very affordable. Diba? Club membership, in short. Alright? So, ngayon, since wala tong kitaan, ngayon ang tanong ko sa iyo, would you like to earn up to $2,000? O, highlight natin na or more per month? Yan. For those interested in learning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright? So, nandito na po tayo sa exciting part. Ayan. Kaya, ikaw, first timer ka, no? Ayan. So, tune in ka. Magpatapusin mo to. Alright? Ayan. So, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting, talagang exciting, no? In compensation plan in the industry. Kasi, first time po talaga may ganitong concept. Matindi. Alright? So, ngayon, paano ba maging affiliate member? Okay? So, mag-register ka po sa link ng inyong sponsor. Right? So, meron po tayo kanya-kanyang affiliate link. Doon po tayo mag-register. So, later, balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo if you want to become a member. Alright? And, magkano ba bayaran? 49.95, around 2925 pesos. Alright? And, ngayon, yun po yung unang buwan lang. And since this is a subscription company, okay, yung monthly subscription natin dito is 9.95 or mga around 580 pesos. Yun. Okay? Yan yung babayaran. Okay? Pero if I were you, meron tayong pangalawang options which is yung annual or yearly. Okay? That would be around 8,190 pesos. The best part nun kasi instead na parang 1 year babayaran mo siya, 10 months lang. So nakatipid ka ng 2 months. Yan. Kaya kung kaya mag 1 year, much better mag-yearly ka. Okay, para less stress na rin. And of course, the rest na pwede mong kitain dito, kita mo na talaga. Okay? Ayan. And so, what do I get? The 9.85. Coach, meron ba yung physical products na kasama yung membership? Wala po. Kasi nga, club membership po ito or subscription. Okay, yung products dito, hiwalay. Okay, pag nag-member ka, dun mo palang bibili yung mga products natin. Na-gets? Okay, so, ngayon, ano ba yung benefits na offer na enjoy dito? Okay? So, access to membership club. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga products natin and soon mga services, ma-access mo. And digital marketing products. So, lahat online, even our website, nandyan. Provided po yan. And participate in the compensation plan. Okay? So, yung kitaan po. Okay? So, the best part dito kasi meron kang sites. Okay, ibig sabihin marami. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi 5 website. Okay, ayan po. So, meron po tayong retail site, okay? Dropshipping and e-commerce ready tayo. Parang Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Send mo lang yung link, no? Affiliate link, and pag may nag-order, company bahala mag-ship, mag-pack, mag-collecta ng bayad, ikaw taga-tanggap na lang ng commission. Alright, and Powerline landing page. So, dyan po tayo nag-reserve position, nagpapamember. Okay, ayan. So, mayroon tayo niyan. Lahat tayo, no? Sa mga members. And corporate site, yun nandyan po yung about sa company, the mission, the team. and many more. And ito naman, dinagdag po ng ating company owner, and Super Greens and Super Reds landing page. So, nandyan po yung video explainer. And pag once na gusto nila mag-order, okay, punta lang sila sa baba. Ayan, meron nakalagay dyan, order now. Yun, di ba? So, mas pinadali and mas, mas pinagaan, no, ng ating company owner talaga na makapag-market. Yan, provided na. Ito pa lang, no? So, bawi ka na. Ako naman sasabi sa inyo, sobra-sobra pa. Kasi ang mahal kaya nito, no? Maintenance and pagpapabuild sa ganyang ganda, no? Okay? Ayan. So, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. So, dito, dalawa na lang po yung type ng kita natin. Number 1 is unilevel and number 2 is force matrix. So, paano ba yan, coach? So, yan, dito na po tayo, no? Explain ko isa-isa, no? So, we have these 7 ways to earn. We have weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool, matrix commissions, right? And itong isa na sa left side is, yun po yung unilevel, isa matrix. Yung nasa gitna matching kasi hybrid po yan. Pinag-combine sila ng dalawa. Okay? So, paano ba? Okay, so dito ipapaliwanag natin. So, we have this weekly fast start or in layman's term, direct referral up to 10 levels deep. Ibig sabihin, may mga indirect, pwede ka mang kumita. Okay? And ito lang po yung company nakita ko. Every time may na-refer ka, meron kang 50% from the monthly membership. O, di ba? Ibig sabihin, pag nag-member sila, nag-register sila sa link mo, nagbayad ng $49.95, meron kang $25. Grabe, no? Kalahati. Di ba? The best, no? O, kaya, ano talaga, panalo. Okay? Kung mag-share ka, hindi ka rin mapapahiya kasi imagine mo, dalawang tao lang is that ROI ka na. Okay? ROI ka na agad. Oh, amazing, di ba? So, the best part nito kasi infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, unlimited yung pwede mong sponsor. And 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Right? So, meron tayong itong mga rank natin sa gilid. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay, so may corresponding earnings yan sila. Alright, so bigyan kayo ng sample, computation, no? Okay, so brace yourself. Right, bakit? This part alone can easily beat other complex design. Alright, kasi may iba, diba? Siyempre, nagpapakita din sila ng kanilang complex design. So, tayo, para makita mo rin yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo dito once itrabaho mo ito. Okay, follow ka lang sa system. So, bigyan kayo ng sample, no? Scenario. Power of 5. So, siguro kaya naman natin, no? Kahit sa per month, kahit isa lang, kada isang buwan may tig isa lang. Kaya ba? Or sabihin na natin 1 week. Okay, parang tagal naman nun, no? 1 week. Okay? Every week, or sabihin natin every month, kung matagal talaga, may isa ka. So, 5 months, meron kang 5. Tapos yung 5 mo, tuturan mo rin makakuha ng tig 5. So, may kikitain ka dyan, level 1, 125, and level 2 din, same. Level 3, 312.5. So, yan. And so on, okay? Hanggang sa level 10, pag assuming nag-diamond ka, no? Ayan, so dumami, power of 5 lang. Alright? Power of 5. So ngayon, nangyari is that, ang kinita mo total, walang time frame to ha, it can be 1, 2, 3, 5, even 10 years. Ang pwede mong kitain dyan is 6.1 million. Not peso, dollars. Right? Okay, hindi ka lang dito, posible hindi ka lang 7, hindi ka lang 8, 9 figures earner ka. And ito pa lang ha, nagre-refer pa lang tayo at team natin kaya nang mabili yung mga pangarap mo. Imagine mo, kumikita ka ng 349 million pesos. Kahit pa 10 years yan, malupit. Diba? Hindi mo kikitain yan sa kung saan-saan lang, diba? O, ito pa lang, ano pa lang to? Weekly fast start, wala pa yung iba. Diba? Kaya grabe po talaga, once na tinabaho mo. Yan, sipagan lang din, syempre. Di ba? Oh, okay ba? So, yan, syempre, meron iba sa atin, mas masipag. Let's say 30 referrals, kaya naman eh. Di ba? Kaya, kahit di ba, 30 months or 30 weeks. Tig-isa per week, no? Ayan, so ngayon, sa level, level 1, 30, so 750. So, up to level 4, so all in all, kikitain mo is 2M. $2M. Alright? And to tell you, hindi lang yan 7 or 8. 9 figures pa rin, 119 million pesos. Ganon kalupit. Diba? Okay? Ganon katindi. Okay ba? Nakikita nyo ba yung bigger picture? Hindi ko pa ngayon kinontinue level 5 to 10, baka malula ka pa. Di ba? Okay ba? Panalo talaga. Lahat ng effort mo dito, lahat ng ilalagay mong, lahat ng lalagay mong pagpupuyat, di ba? Pagpapagod, no? Pag-share, nako, sobrang panalo talaga. Okay, wala kang talo. Alright? Ayan. So, paano ba mag-rank up? Okay, so simplihan lang natin, no? Ayan, so up to second level. So, yung benefits mo. So, paano ba? Okay, refer ka ng dalawa. Yes. Refer ka ng dalawa, bronze rank ka na. Ganun. Ganun kadali mag-rank up. Alright? And wala tayong back to zero, ha? Okay? Ayan. So, dito naman sa silver, up to 4th level ka na. And, di ba kanina may dalawa ka na sa bronze. Okay? Bibilangin lang yun. Ano lang yun? Isasama. Okay? Isasama sa pagbilang. Di ba? Dito kailangan, first requirement is 20 directs. So, kailangan mo na lang ng 18 kasi may dalawa ka na eh. Yun, okay? Or other way naman is 10 directs plus team of 20 or pwede namang 3 of your directs na bronze plus team of 20, silver ka na. Alright? And gold up to 6th level. Okay? Sa gold naman is, ayan, at least 30 directs plus team of 100. Okay? So, team of 100 or di kaya 3 of your directs na nag-silver plus team of 100 or 3 of your directs may tig 4 of your directs, yung tatlo may tig to 30, yung isa may 10, team of 100, gold rank ka na. Okay? So, platinum up to 8 levels, at least 100 directs plus team of 500, or 3 of your directs na gold plus team of 500. Or di kaya, 4 of your directs, tig 150 yung tatlo, yung isa may 50 na total team, so 500 lahat, platinum ka na. Okay? Pag diamond naman, up to 10 levels deep, and yung dalawa na lang dito requirement. Dalawa na lang yung way, okay? Yan. Para maging diamond. Right? So, pwedeng mag-direct ka ng tatlo na gawin nating platinum. Gawin ng platinum, yan, plus team of 2, 5, or 5 of your directs, may tig pa 500 na total team. Yan, diamond ka na. Yun, alright? And ito naman po, crown diamond. Alright? So, at least 50,000, no? Na total team. So, yung 5 mo, at least may tig 10,000. Alright? Or di kaya 10 may tig pa 5,000 or 22, 5. Yan. So, go wide fast. So, mas madaming direct. Yan. So, mas madaming tao. So, yun. Okay, mas mabilis pag crown diamond. Alright? So, ito naman 2x15 force matrix monthly commission. So, kung kanina weekly, ito naman po monthly. So, 2x15. Ibig sabihin lang po yan, multiple of 2. So, ikaw, next to you is dalawa. Okay? Ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, up to 15th level. Alright? So, paano ba to? Okay, so siyempre system ng lalagay ng tao sa atin. So may auto spillover tayo. Alright, so ngayon, pagka malakas yung mag-invite sa taas natin, so malalagyan tayo ng tao or ikaw, mayroon ka na invite, tapos may mga tao ka na, pag nagsusubscribe na po sila, nagbabayad ng 9.95, meron ka pong 0.25 cents. Yun, or 14 pesos kada tao. Yun. Siyempre, kailangan nakasubscribe ka rin. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun po siya. Dito po, sa matrix natin, pwede ka pong kumita kahit wala ka pang ni-refer. Yes. Okay? Pero, mabagal. Okay? Ayan. Set ko lang yung tamang expectation na pwede kang kumita. Yes. Pero mabagal. Okay? Tig po 14 pesos lang. Hindi lang naman ko lalagyan ng tao eh. Marami. Maraming levels eh. Maraming tao din na nauna na din sa'yo na kailangan lagyan din. Di ba? Okay, so paano ba napupuno? So ganito 'yan. Okay, syempre ikaw nasa taas. Kung masipag yung mga direct sponsor mo na direct sa taas mo. So mangyayari niyan is first level mo, all right, is left muna lahat. Okay? Hindi lahat. Okay? Left muna yung una, okay? Tapos next is right. Tapos pag wala ka pang refer, nataas mo na refer din. So left lahat sa first, second level mo para lahat malalagyan, lahat matulungan, no? Tapos right, left, right, left, right. Ganun lang yung paglalagay. Okay? Pero again, hindi kayo mag-assign system. Okay? So ang kailangan mo lang isipin dito, mag-refer, mag-share. Hindi ka na mag-isip kung saan mo ipapwesto, less stress ka na. Di ba? Like sa traditional, saan ko ito ilalagay, di ba? Dito lang sa family ko. Dito na lang kaya. 'Di ba? Stress ka pa kung saan may lalagay, no? Subscribe yan, lahat yan 2, 4, 8, 16 hanggang 4,000 plus na mga tao na yan. Okay, yan po yung corresponding na earnings nyo. Okay? Yan, 0.51, 2, 4, 8, 16 hanggang 1,024. Alright? So, ngayon, pag unrank ka, that means na isa or wala ka pa talagang na-refer. Pag napuno yung matrix mo, take note pag napuno. Kailan, coach? Depende. Pwedeng 1, 2, 3, 5, or even 10 years. Okay? Kung mabagal ka, mabagal din yung nasa taas mo. Okay? Or kung mabilis ka, pati nasa taas mo, mas mabilis din. Pero, ang maximum, ha? I'm saying this na maximum. Hindi yung third month mo agad, ha? Alright? Hindi. Okay? Para itama lang natin yung expectation. So, darating yung time, it can take 2, 3, 5 years. Okay? Pag napuno yan, kasi ang goal lang ni Matrix, mapuno yung ano natin yung matrix natin sa, goal ng system, mapuno lahat ng matrix natin. So, ang tao dyan sa 1 to 12 level, 8,190 people. Times 0.25 cents, yung kikitain natin kada tao pag nagsusubscribe, pwede tayong kumita ng $2,047.50 every single month kahit wala pa tayong na-refer. Alright? Okay? Pero mabagal po yan. Okay? Kaya dito, kalaban natin is inip. So, huwag ka maiinip. Alright? Kung nag-aabang ka lang. Ayan. Okay? That's the key. Alright? So, if I were you, syempre, mas maganda, aralin mo lang muna and mag-share. Okay, so pag nag-ano ka naman, bronze, silver, ayan, up to 13th level. So dumoble sa $4,000 plus, gold, platinum, and diamond, ayan, up to 15th level. Okay, so ngayon, worth it ba siya sa mga nag-aabang, naghihintay? Kasi may iwasan mayroon talagang maghihintay lang. Okay, I'm not promoting na mag-abang ka na lang, but para for the sake na alagaan mo yung subscription mo, okay, hindi ka malaglag sa matrix, sasabihin ko to sa iyo. Okay? Sulit ba siya? Ang tanong. Alright? Okay, so ito siya. Pag unrank ka, yun yung total team, 8,190. Pag mapuno yun lahat yung 12 levels mo. Alright? So pag napuno yung 1 to 4th level, minimum kikitay mo dyan, $0.50 to $8 per month. So hindi pa yan enough para bayaran yung subscription mo. Okay? Pero, wag ka. Kasi bakit? Pag umapaw siya, 5th to 12 level, ang minimum kikitain mo dyan is $16 to $2,047.50. And that is already enough to pay your monthly subscription. And the good news, now you're in profits levels. Kumikita ka na po. Sobra-sobra na. Okay? Kasi sa binabayad mo sa subscription mo. Okay? So here's the scenario, no? So sabihin natin 1 year. Sa 1 year na yan, ang ginastos mo 6,000. Tama? Okay, sa 9.95, 6,000 pesos, 6,000 plus pesos. Okay, tapos, let's say, dun pa napuno yung matrix mo. Yan, napuno na yan yung 12 levels. Tapos, after 1 year, dun ka kumita ng 113,000. Ang tanong, sulit ba? Oo naman. Numbers don't lie. 6,000 versus 113,000 monthly. Diba? Okay, sabihin natin 3 years, guys. Sabihin, worse, no? 3 years na puno. Ang ginastos mo lang 20,000 plus pesos. Okay, so 113,000 per month. After 3 years, doon ka na nag-113 per month. Right? So, sulit ba? Sulit. Tama. Sabihin natin worse, no? 5 years. Sa ginastos mo in 5 years, 33,000 plus pesos. Okay? Ayan, 33,000. So, ngayon, yung, after 5 years, no? Ayan, sa ginastos mo 33,000, nag-113,000 ka na monthly. Sulit ba? Yes. Even 10 years, guys. Even 10 years. Kahit mag 10 years pa, no? Magagastos ka lang ng 60,000 sa subscription mo lang. Pero nag-113,000 ka, sulit pa rin. Even 12 years. Okay? Kaya dito, huwag kang mainip. Okay? Kung paplano ka mag-abang lang, huwag ka talaga mainip. Talo mainipin dito. Okay? Talo talaga. And ito, sabihin ko sa inyo yung 6,020, 33,000, hindi na po ikaw yung nagbabayad yan. Okay, bakit? Saan po yung kinukuha? Diyan, no? 5 to 12 level. Diba? Pag umapaw kasi yan, diba? So, diyan mo na kukunin. No? Kasi nga, actually, hindi naman dito hintayin na mapuno yan before ka bayaran. Kahit may isa ka dyan, 2, 10. Okay, 50 dyan. O 100, 1,000 na tao dyan, babayaran ka po. Okay, ni Live Good. Papasok po sa account mo yung earnings mo. O, di ba? Amazing, no? Okay, ang nangyari sa'yo, ka na, pensionado. Di ba? Kaya, again, wag ka maiinip. Okay, pero, bakit namin, in-encourage talaga mag-refer kaysa maghintay na lang? Noong una, Well, for one reason, para hindi ka rin talaga mainip. Okay? Kasi marami talagang mainip talaga eh. Based on my experience talaga, iba naiinip eh. Dahil mainip. Alright? So, bigyan kita ng scenario. Alright? So, pag nag-refer ka, weekly dito kitaan. $25 ka. Pero sa Matrix, before ka kumita ng $25, 100 ka tao muna yung kailangan malagay sa'yo. Eh, buti sana kung ikaw lang lalagyan. Eh, maraming tao din eh. Eh, paano kung nag-aabang din sila? Diba? Swerte ka kung leader yan. Dalawa mo sa kabilaan mo, no? O gagalaw sila. Swerte ka. Pero, kung nag-aabang din, yun lang. Diba? Kaya mas maganda mag-refer. Alright? O pag nagdalawang refer ka naman, $50. Weekly mo yan makukuha. In the following week mo makukuha. Alright? And, para kumita ka sa Matrix ng $50, kailangan mo ng 200 katao. Diba? Alright? So, at least 200 people. Okay? Oh, so, if I were you talaga, mas maganda mag-refer kaysa maghintay para hindi ka na rin mainip. Okay? Pero kung you're very patient, well, it's not a problem, no? Eh, pero mabagal siya. So, wag ka mag-set ng expectation 3 months, 5 months, 10 months, 1 year, di ba? Mayroon ka ng 100,000. Yun lang. Okay? Wag ka mag-expect ng ganun. Okay? Depende po yan. Alright? Yan. Kaya mas maganda, mag-refer. Okay? So, pero ito po, bakit mas in-encourage na mag-refer? Kasi meron po itong pinakamalaking kitaan, which is the matching. Hindi po ito left and right, ha? Matching po. Right? 5 generations deep siya. Eh, simplihan lang natin. Ang matching bonus ay meron kang kikitain na 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Kasi, di ba, may matrix ka. May matrix yung mga directs mo. Pati yung team nila. Di ba? So, lahat tayo may matrix. So, kung magkano kinikita nila, yung mga na-refer mo, na direct mo dito, may kalahati ka. And take note, hindi po yan ibabawa sa kita nila, ha? Separate lang po yan ibibigay ng company sa'yo. O, di ba? So, sample nito, for example, na-refer mo si Pedro. Ayan, kumita ng $1,000 sa Matrix kasi masipag talaga, leader, no? So, in the following, in your third month, or depende yan, no? Yan, third, fourth, fifth, okay? Ayan, pwede kang kumita ng $500. Yun, di ba? Kalahati. Di ba? O, si naman, si Juan, kumita $500, may $250 ka. Okay? O, si Marites, kumita ng $100. O ikaw, may $50 ka. Diba? Instead na kapitbahay yung chichismis, ito na lang, di ba? Kumikita pa. Alright? O. So, sabihin natin ito, si Maria, $200 kinita niya. Ikaw, may $100 ka. Yan. Separate yan, ibibigay ng company sa'yo. And, sasabihin ko sa inyo, infinite wide po ito. Ibig sabihin, unlimited. That means na ikaw talaga magsiset ng gusto mong pwedeng kitain. Grabe, no? Alright, so sa matching bonus, 5 generations deep. Right, ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang kikita sa direct mo, kundi sa entire team niya, sa directs niya, pati sa mga directs din nila, mga nagre-rank up. For example, nag-diamond ka, hindi ka lang 50% sa directs mo. Meron ka rin 10% sa mga nag-silver under niya, okay, or di kaya sa directs niya, or, ayan, meron ka rin 5% sa mga nag-gold, nag-platinum, and of course, sa diamond, may 3% ka. Alright? Ayan, up to 5 generation. Grabe, no? Alright? So, ito naman po yung sample. Okay? Ayan, sample. Pag nag-sponsor ka, 10 directs. Ayan, so 10 total team. Ginita na sa Matrix, 100. So, matching ka na 50. So, total ginita mo 500. May nag-silver under sa kanila. Okay? Ayan, so ngayon, sa generation mo, may total of 100 ka na. Okay? May matching ka na tig $10, di ba? Medyo bumaba. Pero since dumami sila, 1,000. So, pababa nung up to 5th level, nag-diamond, total kikitain mo is $39,000. Grabe, no? Diba? Oh. Every month yan. Ito matindi. Mas lalaki siya every month. Bakit? Marami nagsusubscribe eh. Diba? Kasi marami din kumikita. Alright? Oh, ito sample, no? So, ito, we suggest na if tatrabahuin mo to, ha? Seryoso, ha? Tatrabahuin mo to, dami mo na family mo. Kagaya ng ginawa ko. Okay? So, kung di mo kaya lahat, kahit dalaw muna. Okay? Kasi pag mapuno yung matrix mo, yung pwede mong kitain, ikaw, 4,095.50. Alright? Tapos, yung dalawang family member mo, yung matrix income nila, combined silang dalawa, 2,047.50. Alright? Tapos, since dahil na-refer mo sila unranked, napuno yung matrix din nila, meron kang kalahati sa matrix nila, 2,047.50. So total income of bronze is 10,238 or 500,000 every single month. Every single month po yan. That is month after month after month after month after month. Imagine mo, simpleng pamilya kumikita ng ganun. Diba? Matulungan natin yung bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Ma-educate natin. May live good, may pag-asa. Alright? Hindi tayo aasa sa kung kani-kanino. Alright? So, kundi may opportunity na. Ito. Okay, grabe no? Diba? Paano pa kung mag-refer? Paano pa kung, tabuhuin mo? Ito, 20 direct referral. Ito, kayang gawin to ng simpleng nanay eh. 20 direct, syempre, maraming kakilala. Diba? Yung mga kamag-anak nila, diba? Yung mga kamarites, ka-Facebook. Ayan. So, pwedeng kitain dyan is 2,047.50 per month. Okay? Sabihin natin, pag napuno yung matrix ng ano mo yung mga na-refer mo. Okay? Yan yung maximum. Right? So, ibig sabihin, happy subscriber lang sila. So, may kalahati ka sa kinikita nila lahat sa 20 na yan. So, all in all, kikitain mo 20,475 or that is 1.1 million every single month. That is month after month after month after month after month. Imagine mo, simpleng nanay kumikita ng ganun. Kaya darating yung time na yung 500,000, yung 1M, simpleng kitaan na lang. Bakit? May mas kumikita pa ng mas halimaw dyan eh. Diba? Imagine mo, simpleng nanay, diba? Kakausap kayo, pero kumikita ng 1.1M. Grabe talaga. Okay? Kailan ba yan? Kailan ba mapupuno yung matrix again? So, depende po yan. Pero again, mapupuno po yan in due time. Alright? So ngayon, di ba sipagan mo na 30 directs? So 30 directs, so pag nag-bronze sila, 6,000. May kalahati ka, $3,000. Right? 30 times 3,000, so 90,000 lahat. So, pwede kitain dyan sa 30 directs is 5M every single month. Okay, that is month after month after month. Imaginein mo yan, no? Ano kaya ang buhay meron kanyan pag kumikita ka ng ganun? Kahit pa 1M pa naubos mo every month, di ba? May mga pang farm na itatabi. Grabe talaga. Alright, basta, syempre, kailangan, huwag ka lang, humble pa rin, okay? Huwag pa rin, lumaki yung ulo, okay? Yung pera nilalagay sa bulsa, hindi sa ulo. Alright? Ayan. So, careful lang din, okay? Kasi may iba, dun kasi namamagnify sila. Alright? Ayan. Pero, talaga, mangyayari. May mangyayari talaga to. Alright? Basta, kailangan, if you change, kailangan for the better. Okay? So, ito yung vision po natin, guys, no? Ayan. Lalo na sa ating mga first-timers dito. 100 solid direct. That means 100 na diamond direct. Alright? And ako, we're blessed, no? Kasi meron na tayong isa. Meron tayong isa. 99 na lang. Alright? So, ngayon, yung na yan, yung, diamond na yan, alright? Yung pwedeng kitain, 16,183.50. Pag mapuno yung matrix nila. Alright? Okay, so assuming napuno yung matrix nila lahat, so meron kang $8,191.75 sa matching. Kasi direct referral, direct mo sila eh. Sponsor mo sila eh. So all in all, kikitain mo sa 100 na tao na yan, na diamond is $819.75. That is 45 million every single month. That is month after month after month after month after month. Imagine what would be your, it would be look like, no? Yung life mo. Kung kumikita ka na ng ganun. Imagine kung, sabihin natin, assuming 5 million na lang yung nagagastos mo every month. May 40 million ka pa. Tapos next month, hindi pa rin naubos, no? 5 million na nagastos mo. May 40 million ka pa. Diba? Good problem, no? Diba? Kaya ito talaga nakikita ko, there will come a time, silip ko talaga. Ito yung magkikreate ng most and top income earner, highest income earner sa industry. Alright? Kasi imagine mo, normal lang kinikita na na 1M. Parang yung 1M parang pang bronze na lang nakita eh. Di ba? Kasi may kumikita ng 5, 10, 25, 30, $1 million per month. Grabe talaga. Lalo na global yung negosyo natin. So endless yung possibilities. Right? Diba? And dito, hindi ka forever mag-invite. Akala mo, forever ka mag-invite? Hindi. Di ba? Kasi, residual na eh. Subscription nga tayo. Kaya there will come a time na talagang, very possible talaga siya. Di ba? Lahat ng maiisip mong pangarap mo at gusto mong tulungan, community mo, yung church, even the government, syempre, mag-ano ka eh, tax ka eh, di ba? Malaki nga yung tax mo, syempre, malaki naman kita mo, di ba? So, wala ka nang reklamo dun. Di ba? Oh. Kaya, grabe, I can't imagine, no, kung ikaw, tayo, kumikita ng ganun. Di ba? Grabe, I can't imagine. And I'm, grabe, sobrang bright ng future talaga dito. Sobrang linaw. Alright? And sana, nakikita namin. Di ba? Karoon ka rin ng tinatawag na gift of vision. Ayan, di ba? Kung pwede lang namin, i-transfer yung mga mata namin, yung puso namin sa iyo. Di ba? Para lang, makita mo talaga kung ano naghihintay sa iyo dito once na pinarabaho mo to. Grabe talaga. I can't, grabe. Okay? So, yan po yung potential, guys, no? Okay? So, possible ba na makapag-direct ng marami? 100 plus, of course. Ito, 1,000 plus na. Grabe, top 1 natin, 1,100 na yata. Diba? Ayan, our very own, si Coach Fernando. I think 500 na ngayon. Okay? Grabe talaga, possible. Okay? Ayan si Pagan. Okay, ito naman, retail commission, 10 levels deep. Okay, ibig sabihin, pag nakabenta ka sa website mo, retail, so meron kang 50% bonus sa price difference between members price and retail price. For example, yung product natin, meron siyang patong na at least $6 lang. So pag nakabenta ka sa website mo, $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company. Ayan, infinite wide din siya. Unlimited yung pwede mong pagbentahan dun sa website mo. And up to 10 levels deep. Pag nag-rank up ka, pag nagbebenta yung team mo, at certain level, meron kang percentage dyan nakita. Yun, okay? And ito naman influencer bonuses pag influencer ka or kahit hindi ka naman influencer, no? Basta nahit mo lang yung quota, kaya yung sales sa isang buwan. Sabi natin 50,000. Ayan, so instead na, di ba sa $6, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. Instead na ganun, pwedeng lahat ibigay yun sa'yo. Once na hit mo yung quota na yan. Amazing, di ba? Alright, so ito nakaka-excite. Our goal is to become diamond rank. Alright? Bakit? Ito talaga yung literal na pensyonado ka every month. Right? Kasi may 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales. I-divide po yan sa lahat ng diamonds global ng buong Live Good. Yes, you heard it right. 2% po yan. Di ba? Para ka ng shareholder. Imaginein mo, no? Sale ng US, sales ng Europe, sales ng Africa, ng Asia. Di ba? Australia. Okay? Ayan, sa lahat ng kontinente. Sales ng North and South Pole. Di ba? O may share ka din. Di ba? As long as Live Good member. Okay? Di ba? And nahit mo tong diamond. O, di ba? Grabe, no? Okay, as of now, 80 plus na po yung diamond. Right? And soon, no? In God's perfect time, mahit din natin yan. Okay? Ayan, diamond bonus pool. And meron naman po tayong additional, no? Itong crown diamond bonus pool. 0.5 naman po ito. So, pag the best part sa crown diamond, aside from meron ka ng crown, may diamond ka pa. Di ba? Grabe, no? So, as of now, dalawa pa lang po yung crown diamond. Si Tim Miller from US. Alright? And sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, si Coach Fernan. Ayan, di ba? Okay, so lucky guys, I won't disclose I won't tell numbers, basta malaki talaga. Okay, grabe, as in nakakalula. Okay, so ito naman yung sample. Okay, disclaimer tayo ha, result natin depende sa galaw natin. Okay, pero ito yung future natin. Ayan, okay. Alright, so yan po, no? Yan, iba-iba yung background nila. Iba, si Miller naka-wheelchair pa. Diba? Pero grabe yung kinikita. Okay, no excuses talaga. So yan po yung future nyo. Okay, once na ginawa nyo rin to. Okay, sobrang linaw. Grabe. Okay? So yan po, no, iba hindi ko na na-update dito. So hindi na po exact yung figures na yan. Okay, pero para makita mo lang yung future mo, yan po. Okay? Ayan, tapos to tell you, right now, 975,000 na po tayo in 12 months plus. Alright? Grabe, breaking the records, guys. Kasi itong isang company nga na, itong Usana. Okay? 30 years na sila, 267,000 pa lang yung members. So, breaking the record talaga yung ginawa ni Livegood. Alright? And ito naman po, to tell you, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. 975, nako. Tip of the iceberg pa lang yan. Kasi, in 2 to 3 years, yung goal natin dito, yung projection is maging 5M. 5M talaga total members. And in the years to come, magkakaroon po tayo ng 20 to 200 million subscribers. Yan po yung nakikita niyo yung pinaka mega structure, right? Ng iceberg. And yung projection natin, yan, so hindi na to obsolete na to, no? Hindi ko na update. Ayan, so kaya hindi man to nangyari, at least 975, di ba? 1 year plus, okay? Yan, pero soon po, yan, magwa 1M na po talaga. Okay? Ayan. So, yung sa akin lang guys, no, I know some of you, meron pang duda, may takot, pero aralin nyo lang po, no, intindihin nyo. Alright? Kasi pag naintindihan nyo talaga, iba yung pwedeng maging impact sa'yo eh. One small decision can really change your life. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa life ko, and hindi lang ako marami sa amin dito. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, kung may takot ka, may duda ka, katukutan mo lang din yung takot mo. Pagdudahan mo lang din yung duda mo. Okay? Kasi kung naging useful yan, edi sana masenso ka na. Nagbago na yung buhay mo. Diba? I know meron din iba sa inyo na scam na, thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions, no? Yung na-scam na sa inyo or nalugi. Okay lang yan. Right? That's life. Okay? Sometimes ganun talaga. Bangon ka lang ulit. Iba ka, yung pinagpe-pray mo, ito na eh. Di ba? So, yung point ko lang is, di ba, try ka ulit. Okay? What is 2,900 or less than 3,000? 580 monthly na subscription. Hindi mo naman siguro yan ikakahirap. Di ba? Lalo na kung wala ka na, ano pang mawawala sa'yo? Di ba? Kung natatakot kang sumubok. Tama? Ano pang mawawala sa'yo? Di ba? Diba? Kasi naniniwala ko guys, this plane of opportunity will surely, actually lumipad talaga, momentum. Okay? Ano to eh, para tong bullet train, yung train, di ba? Bubukas, okay? Tapos bubukas yung pinto, may stop. Tapos pag sumakay ka or hindi, andar. And mabilis yung pag-andar. Right? So nasa iyo kung sasabay ka or hindi. And I'll tell you, in years to come, dalawang pwede mong sabihin, buti na lang or sayang. Buti na lang ginawa ko to. Di ba? Kahit pa paano, medyo nagbago yung course ng life mo. Di ba? Or sayang, sana ginawa ko nung sinare to sa akin nung January 2024. Yung kinikita nila, sana kinikita ko rin. Di ba? Anong gusto mo? Buti na lang or sayang? Yan, the decision is yours. Alright? So if you join, we welcome you. But if you don't want to, okay? Ayan, so we're still friends. Ayan, so pero i-take nyo yung take advantage yung opportunity. Okay? And I'll tell you, hindi mo pang hinayangin, lalo na kung aaralin at tatrabahuin mo. Okay? Ayan, so hopefully, ito hindi naman sa pag-convince kasi at the end of the day, kung paano mag-convince sarili mo eh. Di ba? I'm just here as an instrument para i-spread to. Di ba? I'm just here as an instrument para maging aware ka. Kasi baka, nagpe-pray ka na, matagal ka na nagpe-pray for an opportunity. And baka ito na talaga. Diba? Kailangan mo lang is mag-take action. Alright? Ayan. Okay, so ngayon, with that, so ito yung top 4 reasons. Ayan, why live good. Ayan, so ito yung top 4 remaining reasons. So number 1, we just officially launched globally. So launch lang natin, kaka 1 year lang. Yun. Okay, so nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Ayan, so sinabi ko na po yun sa inyo kanina. And marketing system, tools, and trainings. Okay, so lahat provided na. The website, the training, kahit ito, take advantage na lang. Dadalhin nyo na lang yung mga invites nyo and kami na po bahala mag-explain. Alright, and number 4, a simple, powerful, yet powerful and lucrative pay plan. So, very generous guys. Imagine mo, sa less than 3,580 mo, pwede kang kumita ng hindi mo ma-imagine na pwede mong kitain. Grabe. Okay? Diba? And talagang, no-brainer to. Hindi mo kailangang mag-isip, mag-overanalyze, overthink malala. Di ba? Kasi simple yung concept eh. Di ba? Even high schoolers kayang intindihin yung concept natin. Itong nandito sa Live Good. Alright? So, yan guys. So, ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? I want to become an affiliate member. Yan. So, if I were you, mag-A ka na. Okay? Para wala ka nang sayangin na oras. Di ba? Kasabihan nga, time is gold. Therefore, time is money. Di ba? Time is the most expensive thing in the world. Okay? Yan kasi di mo yun, yung pera, pwede mong, mabalik eh. Pero yung time, di ba? So, huwag ka na magsayang ng oras. Break mo na to. Alright? This 2024. Yeah? Mo, i-promise mo sa sarili mo, magkakaroon ka ng break. Kasi nandito na yung opportunity. Tatrabahuin mo na lang. Okay? So, get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So, thank you so much. Ayan, sa pakikinig and for staying with me until the end. So hopefully nagkaroon ka ng value. And ito lang, leave you with this one verse. Sabi pa nga sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." Right? If you believe na may magandang plano si Lord sa life mo, lalo na this year, 2024, take action. Kasabihan nga, faith without work is dead. Okay? So naniniwala ka, pero hindi mo naman nag-take action, nadududa ka pa rin. Wala, useless pa rin yan. Alright? So, dito kami. Okay? Tulungan po tayo dito. Okay? And, yan. Balikan mo yung tao nag-invite sa inyo and pag-usapan nyo kung paano mo simulan to. Alright? So, thank you so much again. So, hope